end-of-season sale, Bengaluru's biggest shopping bonanza flat 50% off starts from 3rd July to 6th. 27 Friday 2025, Bengaluru, the much-awaited end-of-season sale, EOS, is arriving across the Lulu stores in Bengaluru, bringing the biggest discounts of the year, happening on 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th July. Shoppers can enjoy flat 50% off on a vast array of products across multiple categories, including groceries, electronics, fashion and more. With over 300 plus brands participating, this will be the ultimate shopping event for all shoppers in Bengaluru. The sale spans across Lulu Mall, Lulu Hypermarket Rajaji Nagar, Lulu Daily, Lulu Connect and Rio at VR Mall Whitefield, Lulu Daily at Forum Mall Falcon City, and Lulu Daily at M5 eCity Mall Electronic City, offering shoppers a chance to grab their favorite items at half price. Whether you are on the lookout for premium fashion, gadgets, home essentials, or event fresh groceries, Lulu has something for everyone at unbeatable prices. During the event, all the Lulu outlets will extend their opening hours until midnight, ensuring plenty of time to shop at own pace. Additionally, Lulu is offering an exclusive auction starting from 3rd July to 6th July, where customers can bid for a selection of latest electronics, home appliances, gadgets and much more starting from 1 rupee. Lulu Mall Bengaluru continues to be the city's ultimate destination for unforgettable experiences. Shoppers can enjoy the paradise during the biggest Lulu on sale, get lost in shopping season at Lulu Mall, featuring fabulous deals across fashion, electronics, home decor, and more. Whether you're looking to refresh your wardrobe, upgrade gadgets, or simply indulge in some retail therapy, Lulu Mall offers irresistible discounts that make every purchase rewarding. Don't miss this limited-time opportunity to shop till you drop while enjoying the vibrant atmosphere with music and entertainment at Bengaluru's premier shopping centre. Lulu Funchara, Karnataka's biggest indoor amusement park, offers customers the thrill of experiencing the most number of rides under one roof and holds the title of being the largest in its category. During this EOS period, customers get the exclusive challenge for bowling at Funchara. They can showcase their bowling skills and walk away with amazing prizes. According to Mr. Sharif Kochumon, Regional Director of Lulu Mall Bengaluru, the end-of-season sale, EOS, at Lulu Bengaluru is a shopper's paradise, running with unbeatable discounts across fashion,